What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I got another unboxing video. I know I haven't made a video for you guys in a while, and I apologize. It's just that since YouTube demonetized the gun channels, I kind of lost interest, to be honest with you. But I got this to show you, so I wanted to do a quick unboxing for you. Full disclosure, I have shot this already, so I kind of just put it back in the box for you. You know, whatever. So let's take a look. Something new from the Performance Center. Let's check it out. So we got the 380 Easy Performance Center. I went with the Gucci Gold, as you can see. The reason I chose the gold over the silver and black is because the barrel is titanium nitride and not just a gold finish, you know. So that's how it comes. Little chamber flag. Comes with an 8-round mag in the gun. And over here, you got your spare. Not bad, 2 mags. But let's check it out, right? So you got that titanium nitride barrel, single port on the end. You got the high vis sights. Let's see if you can see that. There you go. Very nice. Aluminum trigger. Not sure if this is aluminum or not. It feels plasticky, but it's got that same gold finish. Looks pretty good. It's a sharp looking gun, no doubt about it. Really nice pistol. Holds 8 rounds in the mag. Wish it held a little bit more, but hey, it's not bad. I did go ahead and pick up one extra one. This costs like 30 bucks. Not a bad price. Also with the Performance Center comes with this cleaning kit. I have not even opened this thing yet. So let's take a look together. Oh, nice little Performance Center logo on there. Let's see what we get inside. Not bad. Looks like you got some cleaning patches, user manual. Nice. Not bad at all. A couple different brushes. Looks like 45, 49, and most likely 22 there. Not bad. Little brush, pick, your cleaning rod. Not bad. Nice little bonus. I'll probably never use it, but whatever. Put that back. Alright, so back to the gun. Alright, so you got 8 rounds plus 1 in the chamber for a total of 9 rounds. Single side, slide release, ambi. You got the ambi safety there. Not bad. So with the grip safety and the ambi safety, kind of feels like a 1911 almost. You know, you got that grip safety. Slide that off. So I mean, if you're going to carry it cocked and locked, which this is because it's an internal hammer. This is not a striker fired gun. So if you take this apart, there's actually a big void right here, so the hammer can go back and forth. Not a bad little pistol. Single side, magazine release. Got ports on the side there, slide cuts I should say. Pretty sharp little pistol. Got your rail there for lights, lasers, whatever you want to do. But that's it, guys. Just thought I'd do a quick little presentation on this. It's a really nice little pistol. As far as 380s go, I don't really know if you can get better than this. But thanks for watching, and I'll be posting the shooting video coming up soon. See you later, guys.